My dear beloved fellow students of Makerere University Business School, I am humbled by the trust, the love that you have bestowed upon me by choosing to front me as your presidential candidate for the year 2015-2016. My name is Bujingo Don Patrick, and I believe in the passion that thrives from my heart. I am here willing to serve and to break all the chains of blockages in our mother institution, MUBS. My record exemplifies a passionate, self-driven advocacy on behalf of all of us. I care about making sure that campus opportunities are as equally distributed as possible for each and every one of you. Come give me the platform to be the leader you have always waited for, to share your ideas, and I guarantee you, I will make them happen with you. As Don Patrick Bujingo, my aspiration is to work together with the students' community to ensure that we elevate the communication arena, the religious, education, welfare, and the financial arena as well. That is what we stand for in our 5-point manifesto. Communication. Communication, dear friends, has for long been dead and even almost buried in MUBS. What we are seeing as opportunities are being blown away by the wind. The scholarships, the jobs, the trainings, and the chances that we have to be mentored are not even being seen. Dear friends, you not only deserve this, but it is your right to have them, because you came here to learn. But you not only came to learn, but you came to learn with a difference under Makerere University Business School. We shall endeavor that we communicate these ideas, that we pass them to you, so you may know them, so you may own them. Remember that communication is the mouthpiece of leadership. We shall endeavor that this is fully satisfied. Religion. Religion has for long been a uniting factor, even in the days of our forefathers, even in the days of those who began and had the idea to start Makerere University Business School. I commit myself to keep this flame burning, and I assure you, I know and I may understand that the worship places are limited. Even the time itself that is allocated might be minimal. It is never a secret that the journey the institution has taken till today has been a clear reflection of God's favor on us through your prayers. My humble plea is that the Lord gives me the leadership of sincerity and trust that I will hail the institution through the religion. For the fear of the Lord is surely the beginning of wisdom. Education has been known as the key to success and yet the biggest investment in our lives. However, it is turning into a nightmare. In our mother institution, the lecture rooms are small to sustain the big numbers. The library is underfurnished. There are no adequate provisions for us to even discuss. Internship that is meant to be a training program is only a horror that awaits our society, and we sit in pain with our programs that are not even known to the outside world. Bujingo Don Patrick brings to you the Education Week project to market our programs to the employers. And yet again, he creates a platform for all of you to issue out your challenges through dialogue. He advocates the same for the redemption of job seeking to job creation through the Junior Achievement Program. And he is the man to rally behind. The welfare. Welfare is something that at times we regarded as a right, but it's seeming to be more of pain to us as Makerere University Business School students.